Hi everyone, today this will be another easy cooking. So today I'm going to teach you how to cook clay pot noodle. Ingredient that you need here will be the beef ball ordered from Anna's kitchen, the minced meat that marinated with some saucing wine like soy sauce and also some honey. You need some pak choy here, 1 cup of plain water, baby corn, half cup of saucing wine. As for the noodle, I'm using the miswa here. Next, you need some sesame oil. Add in the chopped garlic and also the mushroom slices, corn flour, oyster sauce and some light soy sauce. Lastly, not to forget an egg. Put the sesame oil to the clay pot and start to saute the garlic. Next, put in the minced meat, then followed by the meatballs. Add in the bowl of water, followed by the corn flour. Let this cook for 5 minutes. After that, top up with the saucing wine and the seasoning as well. Next will be the baby corn and followed by the mushroom. Add in the miswa, followed by the veggie. Before that, top up with the egg and close it up for another 2 minutes. Okay, so this will be the easy cook clay pot noodle. As you can see, it's all in one and it has been done in 15 minutes. Let's see the taste. The soup is nice, it's thick, it's yummy, and this is the meatball. It's very chewy and packed with flavor. So nice. This is very easy to cook and very nice, and you can try this.